Hi, my name is Linda Petrini, and today I will be introducing to you Foresight Institute's Secure AI Tech Tree, an interactive map of this complex and evolving field of secure AI. So making sure that AIs and humans can cooperate safely and effectively. Here you can see the tree from the farthest point of view. Let me give you a quick tour. We can zoom in to the main parent node, Secure AI, and we have identified 5 core long-term goals. Cooperative AI ecosystems, the logistics of effective coordination and mutually beneficial outcomes. Privacy-preserving AI collaboration, anything that has to do with sensitive data sharing and privacy and data security guarantees. Secure and robust AI, adversarial misuses and failure modes. Transparent and verifiable AI, making sure that AI decision-making is verifiable so that we can enable trust and accountability. And finally, aligned AI agents. As AI systems become ever more advanced, making sure that they're consistently aligned with human values and intentions. Each of these main sub-goals further divides in a few technical capabilities, and for each we identify a challenge that's going to appear in orange and one advance that's going to appear in green that might help solve that challenge. Let me show you what I mean. Zoom in on the cooperative AI ecosystem node, and here we see several concrete technologies that might support this goal. For example, we have cooperative multi-agent learning algorithms, we have communication protocols, automated conflict resolution. And for each of these technological capabilities, 3 challenges in orange. For example, for cooperative multi-agent RL, we have convergence to selfish or oscillatory behaviors instead of converging to stable cooperation. And one proposed advance is cooperative multi-agent benchmarks to focus research on algorithms that increase and foster teamwork. So as you see, this is it can be overwhelming. There is a lot of content here. One of the coolest features of this format and this tree is the ability to chat with it. Let me show you what I mean. Say that we want to get a better sense of what this cooperative AI ecosystem bit is about, the nodes that we are interested in, and then ask a question here. Tell me more about multi-agent coordination challenges. And here it gives us a few concrete points about what makes specifically multi-agent coordination challenging. So we have misaligned goals or partial information. We have the absence of a central authority. I haven't mentioned it yet, but one of the most interesting features of the tree is that for each of these main sub-goals, we have some labs and research groups, we have some specialized startups, small AI companies, non-profit organizations, and finally funders active in cooperative AI in this case. These lists are by no means comprehensive, but they were verified by a human and compiled by me. We can highlight again notes, and we might want to ask who are the key researchers working in cooperative learning algorithms. And we have this answer. We have Dr. Yali Du, Dr. Vincent Konitzer, a few other names. And we might even ask what's the difference between this person's approach and this other person's approach. So yeah, we have one that focuses more on multi-agent RL and one that's more caring about game theoretical AI cooperation. So this is to give you a sense of how the AI agent can be used to navigate a specific branch of the tree. But the tech tree has some other use cases that are more general. So if we zoom back a bit, there are several interesting use cases. One could be for someone novel to the field. Say that you have a background in policymaking and you want to know how could you contribute to secure AI? We might ask the tree, and the tree is thinking a little bit and giving us an answer. We have developing comprehensive AI policies for security and transparency, draft legislation that mandates the inclusion of safety features, international forums to harmonize security standards, cross-border cooperation. This can give you a few kind of directions or ideas. Another question you might want to ask is, maybe you're working on privacy preserving and you might want to know who is funding projects in that field. So it's a question you might want to ask. Here are a few. Or maybe you're a researcher is wanting to do more community building. You might ask who is working on this specific topic. Here are a few ones. So this is absolutely a work in progress, and we are still improving on the tree, but it does serve the goal of providing a map to orient oneself inside this very quickly evolving field. The tree is now live, and we really encourage all of you to try it, see what works, see what interesting questions you're able to ask, and we look forward to collaborating on the evolution of this interactive map. Thank you so much.